In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Metal Dash promo codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple and we'll jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and search for Metal Dash promo codes. So right here, you have to search for this couponbirds.com website, which is the very first one. And as you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use. And for example, if you want to use this 20% off promo code, all you have to do is select your code right here, and this is the discount code. So when you make your next purchase, you can simply use this code in order to get a discount. So if you go back to the main search on Google, as you can see right here, there are plenty of other websites that you can use. For example, this one right here. And as you can see, we have a list with other promo codes and discounts. And also, if you want to use one of them, just simply select show code right here and your coupon code will load up. I'm going to wait a little bit for my code to show up. And right here, as you can see, you have to click right here to copy the discount code, which is this one. And if you use that code, you will get 25% off your next purchase. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.